Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome to this week's video where we are going to be getting rid of these OEM aluminum strut braces that came on my 2021 A90 Supra and replacing them with something a little bit more fitting. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let's just get into it. If this is your guys' first video, welcome. I'm Suggs Adawar. I'm going through and turning my A90 Supra into a dream build of mine, documenting everything along the way, showing you guys parts, installs, tutorials, everything I can around the A90 Supra platform. So if you guys like these sort of videos, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. If you have a 2020, you're not gonna have to worry about it, but if you have a 2021, you know that they're gonna come with these horrible looking aluminum OEM engine strut braces. And this was just something that we absolutely needed to get rid of in the Supra because these just look absolutely horrible. And I think most of us can agree, they just felt like an afterthought. I'll put a picture up for those of you that don't know what the engine bay of a 2021 Supra looks like, but you can see how much these strut braces stick out like a sore thumb. I didn't like the fact for the Cusco or the Blitz strut braces that they had the bar that goes across the front. I just really didn't like that look, and the Forged Motorsports doesn't have that, and that's why I decided to go with them. It's not because they're going to give me this or that above the Blitz or the Cusco. I just went with them purely mainly for aesthetic purposes. So I haven't seen this installed on really a whole lot of Supras. I haven't really seen anyone on the forums talk about installing the Forged Motorsports. I think I am one of probably the first people to actually go through and order this, at least as far as I'm aware. I picked up the Forged Motorsports engine strut brace for about $450 as I was going through and taking a look everywhere online where to purchase it from. Everywhere seemed to be about that $450 mark. So just go and pick it up from whoever you prefer to purchase your parts through. You're probably not going to get a huge savings through anyone else. And then it took about 5 to 6 weeks for it to actually arrive. Everything is made in Great Britain, so it all just kind of depends on when the containers are shipped over and everything like that. So make sure you're taking that into account. This isn't going to be something that just shows up the next week. The strut brace is going to be an aluminum. It's a 602 aluminum, I believe. It doesn't really mean a whole lot to me, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to mean a whole lot to a lot of other people, but these do come painted black. They fit in perfectly. I'll kind of show you what the engine strut brace looks like next to the silver one. You can just see that it's a clear night and day difference. Looking at weight, these definitely are heavier than the OEM ones. I'm not sure how much. I didn't weigh what the difference was because that question has actually come up already a couple times since I've told people that I've had it installed. The fitment on everything was absolutely perfect. I did not have to modify anything. I did not have any trouble with holes lining up. I did not have any issues or anything like that. So as someone who does not know how to work on vehicles, someone who is learning all of this stuff along the way, for installing, I would definitely give this out at like a 2 out of 10 for an install. It was something that the first one took a little bit of time to figure out, but then the second one probably went on in less than 5 minutes, and it was absolutely, is a great install. I'll show you guys a little bit of a time lapse of it after this, but overall install is super incredibly easy. So now that we've taken a look at everything, let's go and get this thing installed. So for the install, you're going to get these two strut braces. The Forged Motorsports logo is engraved in there. These are painted black. They look and feel absolutely great. You're also going to get hardware, so it doesn't matter if you have a 2020 or a 2021, you're going to have everything you need. Tools that you're going to need to install are the 10mm socket. I actually had to use a 13mm as well. You're also going to need an 8mm Allen key and a 6mm Allen key. Those should be the tools that you all need. Okay guys, so we now have the first engine strut brace installed. That was a little bit more difficult than I could because I just couldn't reach my fat arm in there when I was going through and trying to tighten the bolt on the back side with getting the washer on there. Let's go take a look quick. So here, the lighting is absolutely horrible in my garage. this week's video. Really hope you guys did enjoy the install video and everything of the Forged Motorsports strut braces. Let me know down below what you guys think of the strut braces. Is this something you'd put on your Supra? Or are you guys still looking at the Blitz or the Cusco ones for yours? Let me know down in the comments below. I really hope that if you guys have made it to this point in the video that I have earned your like and subscribe at this point. I'm currently underneath that 30 subscribers, trying my hardest right now to push towards that 100 subscriber mark. I try to bring out new videos a week. Was meaning to bring out one this last week, but unfortunately I ran into issues with my tires. I'll talk to you guys about that in the next video or in one of the upcoming videos about that, because it's currently being fixed right now and I want to share that fix with you guys. So I really did hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys for next week's video. Till then, goodbye.